What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to export videos in Premiere Pro. So here I have Premiere Pro opened and I have a video here on my timeline. Let's say I made some edits, some cuts to this video and deleted the clip in the middle and joined these two clips. The point is I made some adjustment to the video and now I want to export it as a new video. Here you'll see the export option on the top here. Let's click on it. It'll open the export settings menu. Let's choose the format. I usually export in H.264 format. And let's choose the preset, the bitrate preset. That controls the quality of the video. You can choose the preset you want. Let's keep it on the default one for now. Now let's access the video settings here. Make sure the frame size and the frame rate are matching the source video, or you can choose them as you want. Here they are set to match source by default, but if I want to export it in like a 30 frames or change the frame rate, I just uncheck the box next to the frame rate and I change it to the frame rate that I want. But for now let's match the source. Okay, if I want I can also change the audio settings, the format on the bitrate and the channels and so on. And once I am happy with my settings, I can go ahead and check the output info and it gives me like an estimate file size. Of course, the more I decrease the bitrate or the quality, now let's set it to like adaptive high bitrate. As you can see, the estimate file is 72 megabytes. But if I decrease the bitrate, like low bitrate, now the file size decreases in size. Of course, that means a file or a video file with lower quality, but you can choose whatever setting you want. And don't forget to choose the location where you want to save your file. It'll open the Explorer where you can choose your location, and you can also choose the name of the file. Let's say test file or test video. Hit save. Now once you are happy with all the settings, just click on export and your video will start exporting.